welcome. Scratch and Hammer YouTube page. Yeah, she runs. As you can see, the engine's in the truck, but I still need to connect all the accessories, connect all the wires, put the intake on, and make everything run. Put the AC compressor back up. I did this last time when the engine was out, but I also dropped the engine last time, so I tried to keep less weight off of it. That side's on. Now to get the more difficult side. Man, it's gonna raining and it just got real dark again. Need to get everything installed. Coils, intake, coolant lines, lower radiator hose, and get all that stuff installed. Okay, gotta get the headers in. No, I'm gonna get the headers in right now. Last time the driver's side just basically fell in there from the top. Passenger side might have to be brought in from the bottom. Although I didn't have the starter in last time, so that might be a pain in the butt. I really hope I don't have to take that starter back out. Got the headers on, got the crossover pipe on, got all these things tightened up, got the clutch cover on, this thing right here. Got the O2 sensors connected and zip tied so they can't move. I think I'm done on this end, or under here. Yep, and I got that oil dipstick installed, and she is perfect. Gonna throw some spark plugs in here. Let's go. Coils are on, plugs are in, plug wires are connected, driver's side is done. The routing on the little picture on the shroud is the same as the routing of the actual belt. Works out. LS versus small block Chevy, but whatever. All right, Everything's getting close. Gonna put the intake on, cold air intake, and hook up all the electrical, all that other stuff. Let's just get her rolling. Okay, everything under the hood is connected. Got a little fun little update right there. Thought it was pretty cool. Screwed up on painting and taping it, so I got the rubber a little overspray, but whatever. But I think she looks pretty cool. About to add the new tune in there again. I had a major fuel leak right here. I don't know why this came loose, but it did. So I tightened her back up. Took the fuel rails off, retightened that thing, put the fuel rails back on both sides. I don't know why both sides were loose, but they were. Now let's go see if we can start. That first start was pretty cool, but one thing I noticed is it got pretty hot, so I'm going to change out the water pump. It got up to 225 and then I shut it off. Both fans are running, so I'm pretty sure I have no water pump, so I'm just going to swap it out. This is the old water pump that came out of the first engine. It's kind of shitty. Got the new water pump, already drilled and tapped the steam port adapter. Yeah, already drilled and tapped that. And I just need to bend this down so it doesn't hit the cold air intake. The lid on there, or the hose on there, had to take it off and bend it a little bit and put it back on. Don't worry about that. And I have this fitting on there for the other part for the steam vent. And let's go install this dog. got the new water pump on there, all connected, hose is all connected. Coolant is all filled up.